Hi, and welcome back to the Wall of Color. Aaron with Tribble Painting here, and today we're going to be taking a look at Benjamin Moore CW-600 Braken Blue. We're going to be painting over this cream color here behind us, so it's going to be a pretty cool transition to watch. Benjamin Moore describes Braken Blue as opulent and a touch of offbeat. This glamorous shade of blue, a part of the Colonial Williamsburg's Colonial Revival color palette, adds a layer of attention-getting style to any space. Now I think this color would look good maybe in a small bathroom, a study, or maybe even just as an accent wall. But you can decide where you might want to put it. We're going to have Sam put the first coat on, and we will take a look at how that covers and check with you afterwards. All right, we can see here Sam has gotten that first coat of CW-600 Braken Blue on the wall of color for us. It really had excellent coverage for being just one coat. You really have to get up close to be able to see that there are a few little light spots there, so we're gonna go ahead and get a second coat on there and take a look afterwards. All right, we've got our second coat of Braken Blue on the wall behind us here, and we've installed our white piece of trim board, so you get a good sense of what this color might look like in a room with lighter colored trim. Now, even though we had great coverage with that first coat, wanted to make sure we put the second coat on, bringing us up to 100% coverage and really giving us a true sense of what the color is going to look like. Now, Braken Blue does have a fairly low LRV value, 32.72. which means that's not going to reflect a lot of the light coming into the room off of it. It's rather going to absorb it. Going with an eggshell finish like we've done on the wall here, that's going to help to reflect more of the light than say if you were to go with a matte or a flat finish. I think just like Benjamin Moore says, this color's a little bit of an offbeat one, definitely attention getting. I think it looks pretty cool. We've actually done a job recently where we did use this color in a room in an eggshell finish. So you can check out some of these pictures. That'll give you a good sense of how light is going to reflect off of the eggshell finish coming into the room. So, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It helps other people just like you looking for color information.